Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon Nigerian style. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each, along with key Nigerian spices like curry powder and thyme. Don't forget to chop some vibrant bell peppers and onions. Finally, ensure you have a good quality cooking oil on hand, whether you plan to fry or bake your delicious salmon. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the salmon. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and patting your salmon fillets dry. Next, create a flavorful spice rub using a blend of ginger, garlic, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Generously rub this mixture all over each salmon fillet, ensuring it's well coated. For the best flavor infusion, let the salmon marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer if time permits. With your salmon marinated, it's time to cook. You have a few delicious options. You can pan-fry the fillets in a little oil until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through, typically about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Another excellent method is baking. Simply place them in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. For a smoky taste, grilling for around 4 minutes per side also works wonderfully. Serve your Nigerian salmon with a classic side like jollof rice. Your Nigerian-style salmon is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish your beautifully cooked fish with some fresh cilantro or parsley for an extra touch of color and flavor. It pairs wonderfully with a vibrant Nigerian stew, a simple side of steamed vegetables, or even a light salad. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Share this delicious meal with your loved ones and savor the rich, authentic flavors you've created. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.